Hey there everyone, this is Jim over here at SteamingRedHotPicks.com. Hope everyone's doing well out there. Today is Monday, April 18th. It is after market close 2011. This is a video chart presentation on Farmstar Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, which is PHAR, traded on the pink sheets. And today we had definitely lots of volume, as you can see referenced here by the chart. Let's see here. We had about 1.9 million shares traded today. Did end up as a red candle today, down day from the previous close. However, let's look at the overall chart though, and overall patterns here. As you can see here, despite the fact that we did have a lower low here compared to the last few sessions, the overall trend is still very much up. We're still comfortably above the 50 DMA at 0.025, 2.5 cents. And a 200 DMA, which is not going to help us out on this chart since this is coming off of much higher levels back in October, September, and August, and so on and so forth. But I did add the EMA 20, which is at 0.032, and again, comfortably above that, both levels here, so that's a good sign. And as you can see here, we have this nice little triangle coming in here that people like to see. Once we, hopefully, we could pass this point here, at around a nickel or so. Could be some blue skies after that. I like the slow stochastics on this thing. As you can see here, guys, it's right here. It's just crossed over. It's still the black and red lines. They've diverged over here at this point, and they're diverging and they continue to diverge and going upwards. They're above the 50 mark here, and as you can see here in the history of the chart, it has previously been above 80. So we, definitely you could extrapolate here and assume that perhaps we'd have some more room here as well. Also on the RSI, as you can see here, guys, it's trading above the 50 mark. Not overbought, oversold at this point yet. It did kink down a little bit because of the action today. We had the battle between the bulls and the bears. Bears won a little bit here, but the bulls came back toward the end of the session, so definitely some late day buying here. I was watching it today, so we're still looking strong in the RSI. As you can see here, the historical chart here definitely has peaked above, way above 70 into that power zone. So we still have some room here too, perhaps to go up as well. Talked about the support points. Let's talk about resistance points here. And clearly this stands out pretty well. Right here at the 6 cent mark, that was the top of the last rally, and we've had a sell-off since then. So it looks like we could have some consolidation back up to the 6 cent mark. Look for that as a key resistance level though, since that was a fairly recent rally and it did fail at 6 cents. However, with key company updates or some strong buying coming in or whatever, certainly past 6 cents, I mean, it's pretty inconclusive, but perhaps let's see here, perhaps yeah, I guess probably the 10 cent mark or so. Looks like here roughly the bottom of this leg here, but again, it's a little inconclusive because the chart was not as nice. That's another thing too I like about this stock too, guys, is the chart has really been setting up nicely here since mid-March or so. So it looks like there's been a lot of activity recently. I know PHR had a recent stock symbol change. Some news came out today, so this should be a stock that we should all possibly keep our eyes on and keep on your radars out there. It looks like if we could perhaps pass that 6 cent mark, you have some nice room up 10 cents. And, looking historically, this thing has been way up, even in dollar range. I don't suggest that it would get that high, but just let you know that, their potential is there anyway for some upward movement. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the chart, guys. Again, I wanted to remind you the information contained herein has been compiled from sources deemed reliable and is accurate to the best of our knowledge and belief. However, SteamingRedHotPicks.com cannot guarantee as to its accuracy, completeness, and validity, and it cannot be held liable for any errors or omissions. Furthermore, SteamingRedHotPicks.com is neither an investment advisor nor a financial advisor, and no information provided here is to be interpreted as a suggestion to buy or sell securities. Please visit our disclaimer page on our website at www.SteamingRedHotPicks.com for further information. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.